positive in charge, indicated by delta plus. A covalent bond in which electrons are not equally shared is a polar covalent bond. Now let's examine the covalent bonds in ethane. All of the bonds are formed between carbon and hydrogen, which have similar low electronegativities and attract shared electrons nearly equally. No atom in ethane takes on a significant partial charge. The bonds between the atoms are non-polar covalent bonds. The polar nature of the bond between oxygen and hydrogen in ethanol results in a polar molecule that can interact with other polar molecules. The hydrogen with a partial positive charge is attracted to an atom with a partial negative charge on another polar molecule, such as water. This kind of attraction is a hydrogen bond. The structures of many molecules, as well as their ability to dissolve in water, are based on the ability to form hydrogen bonds. A DNA molecule, for example, contains 2 strands of atoms. The bonds within each strand are covalent, but the 2 strands associate with each other through hydrogen bonds.